Wow. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely stunning hair makeover. The cut, the color, perfection. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to take a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have someone getting some color. Now the hue is more of like a peachy variation. She does get a cut here as well. Oh wow, I love the color. And then heading into the next transformation, it looks like she is getting a pixie cut. Oh, I would say more of a pixie bob variation. Very cute. Does feature an undercut going there on the side as well. Next up, we have this red bob. I love this color. She does have the bangs here with this one as well. You can see the stylist cutting and shaping the hair. Gorgeous red lip to make the hair color pop even more. Oh wow. Gorgeous. I absolutely love the cut and the color combo. So here we have the cutting of another pixie. This one has more of that asymmetrical shape. Very cute. Well, she has an undercut as well. So for the next one, she has this beautiful gray hair color. Stylist chops the hair. Oh, wow. Very cute bob style. And she even has a hint of teal going there in the back. Oh, how fun. So here we have someone with hair around mid-back length, and she decided to switch it up by going blonde and getting this very cute layered shoulder length cut. And we have something called Twilight Sparkle Hair. So this is going to be another one of those bold and vibrant hair color changes. So let's see what the stylist ends up doing. Oh, wow. I love the pink and purple combo. So pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these hairstyle ideas within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.